Welcome to this edition of Kids Grab and Go Reading Wands and Pencil Holder. What's great about this, it's a very simple kit and it'll get you ready for a marvelous school year, or at least to have some special way to organize things in your house to do work at home. To begin, I just decided to put my zipper bag and pens to the side, and I'll get started. I have 2 craft sticks and 2 really cool gems, and you'll notice on the back of the gems there's a little white square. That's so that you can peel that off and adhere it to the craft stick. What we're making here, friends, is very special reading wands, which will be a lot of fun when you're reading books. You can follow along with your reading wand. And peeling off the back of the other gem, I'm going to go ahead and stick my next gem on the end of the other stick. So you can have 2 really fabulous reading wands to help you follow along in your book as you read. With your reading wand, you can follow along with your reading. I mix it all together with a wooden spoon. It turns into a big, sticky, squishy lump. As you were taking your supplies out of your bag, you may have noticed a folded piece of paper. What I found helpful with this is that if I opened it up so it was just a half sheet, that would be approximately the size of my zipper pouch. What I thought would be helpful is you can start to plan how you would like to decorate your zipper pouch. And so I decided to write a positive quote: be your best self. Maybe I'll add a couple little fun designs, but it's your bag, so you decide how you would like to decorate it. And this is just my practice sheet. And now that I've practiced, I decided I'm going to need to put something on the inside of the bag so that the marker doesn't go through to the other side. So you can use that same scrap piece of paper, or if you need it to copy from, find another little piece of paper that you can lay flat on the inside so that when you draw, it won't go through to the other side. Now, because of my design, I decided that I want best to be in the center of my pencil case. So I'm going to go ahead, and you can see it is bleeding through. So I'm glad I have that piece of paper on the inside. So I got the word best on mine. Again, make your own quote, decide what you would like it to say, and go for it. And I went over it a second time just to make it nice and bold. And now I'll do my top part. Be your, and then I have the word best, and then I'll write my word self. I think I got to add some decorations like I did on the other one. And there you have it. You have a place to put your reading wands and your pencils and other materials to stay organized and have a successful school year.